In a world where vision defines progress, ZainTech transforms industries by seeing what others can't, from the skies to the seas. At ZainTech, we pioneer drones and robotic solutions that bridge air, land, and sea. Delivering precision, safety, and actionable insights, we're redefining what's possible. In the energy sector, we tackle both the vast and the vanishing. From open-air refineries to cramped, hazardous spaces, our collision-tolerant drones and ROVs capture critical data, keeping operations safe, efficient, and compliant. In oil and gas, we defy extremes. From scorching flare stacks to confined chimney interiors, our drones capture critical data, no matter the environment. Even submerged tank walls aren't beyond our reach, reducing downtime, ensuring compliance, and preventing disasters before they start. For power and utilities, we create digital twins, virtual replicas that predict maintenance needs and extend the life of critical infrastructure. In construction, every second counts. Our 3D mapping and video documentation turn chaos into clarity, ensuring projects stay on time, on budget, and on vision. For aggregates and cement, precision is profit. Our LiDAR drones deliver millimeter-accurate stockpile analytics, optimizing inventory, reducing waste, and driving margins. In agriculture, we turn data into growth, monitor crop health, optimize yields, and ensure sustainability, all from above. For telecom, we ensure connectivity. Detailed inspections and asset digital twins keep networks resilient and future-ready. Where events demand wonder, we paint the sky. Hundreds of synchronized drones create breathtaking aerial spectacles, branding reimagined, moments magnified, and audiences mesmerized. At ZainTech, we don't just adapt to challenges, we redefine them. Ready to explore the possible? Let's build beyond boundaries.